Question 4. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 dash 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 must be taken to give a sum of 636? A 9, D is equal to second term 17 minus first term 9. Sn is equal to 636. D is equal to subtraction 8. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a into bracket n minus 1 into d. Sn 636, n by 2, 2 into a is 9, plus n minus 1 into d is 8. 636 is equal to n by 2. 2 9s are 18, plus 8 into n, 8n. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. 636 is equal to n by 2. 18 minus 8, 10 plus 8d. 636 is equal to n by 2. 2 common. 10 divide 2, 5. 18 divide 2, 4n. 2 cut. 636 is equal to n into 5n. n into 4n, 4n square. Therefore, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. 4n square, splitting middle term, 5n means 53n minus 48n. Minus 636 is equal to 0. First two term, first pair, common is n. 4n square divide n, 4n. 53n divide n, 53. In second pair, common minus 12 into bracket 4n plus 53. 4n plus 53 common, another bracket n minus 12 is equal to 0. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0 or n minus 12 is equal to 0. 4n is equal to minus 53 or n is equal to 12. n is equal to 53 by minus 53 by 4 or n is equal to 12.